An electron of mass ME initially at rest moves through a certain distance in a uniform electric field in time t1. A proton of mass MP also initially at rest takes time t2 to move through an equal distance in this uniform electric field. Neglecting the effect of gravity, ratio t1 by t2 is nearly equal to. Okay, we have electron and proton, two particles moving through an electric field, and as we know, both of them have same charge. Mass of proton is given as MP, mass of electron is given as ME, and both of them have same charge E, right? E is a charge of them. Okay, now when they are kept in an external electric field, they will be accelerated, right, along the direction of the field if it is a proton, against the direction of field if it is an electron. Okay, anyway, they will experience equal force as the force equation is Q into E, right? Force acting on an external, force acting on a charge in an external electric field is Q into E. So we can say for electron and proton, both of them experience equal force since their charges are equal. F is equal to E into E. Okay, then what will be acceleration acting on these charges, electron and proton? That can be force divided by mass, which is equal to E divided by M, right? This is the acceleration acting on them, and they will have different acceleration because mass of these particles are different. So acceleration of proton is equal to E divided by mass of proton, and acceleration of electron is equal to E divided by mass of electron. Okay, now the question says within a time t1, electron covers a particular distance. Proton also covers the same distance starting from rest within a time t2, and we are asked to find what is the ratio of t1 to t2. So let us find distance traveled by electron. S is equal to U into T1 plus half acceleration of electron into T1 square, where U is 0 starting from rest. So we can say half into acceleration of electron is E divided by mass of electron into T1 square. Equation number 1. Then for proton, see, this is for electron, right? Now for proton we can say same distance. Proton also travels the same distance starting from rest. So UT2 plus half A proton into T2 square. Here also initial velocity is 0. So we can say half E divided by mass of proton into T2 square. Equation number 2. Now we can take the ratio. Equation number 1 by equation number 2. LHS is going to be 1. Then in the RHS, half gets cancelled, right? E and capital E gets cancelled. So we get T1 square, right? T1 square divided by T2 square into, see, ME by MP, correct? So we will get MP by ME. This is what we obtained. You're asked to find what is T1 by T2. So you can just transform this equation into T1 square by T2 square is equal to ME divided by MP. So we can say T1 by T2 ratio is equal to square root of mass of electron by mass of proton, the whole raised to 1 by 2, square root of that term. So mass of electron by mass of proton whole raised to 1 by 2 is option C.